Alright guys, today I'm installing the coil overs. They are Raceland. Comes with a nice little sticker, but that's not what y'all came here for. Came here to see the actual coil overs. And that's what we got. Front and rear. And then all the hardware that comes with it. So I'm gonna show y'all how to put it on now. So for the rears, all we have is right here. We have a 14 on the strut right here, and then the spring will come out once we drop the whole knuckle down. And then in the back, you have to take off this one, and this one up here, these little plastic clips, and then they'll come out like this over on the side. And if you peel it back, you have another 14 on top. So I'm gonna get those out and I'm gonna show you what to do from there.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
So now I'm gonna take up the front, and you just have to take this brake line off, and then this bolt down here, this one, and then the bottom will come off, and at the top there's this little plastic piece right here that comes out, and then there is 3 in there, and you just gotta take off the top. Now I'm gonna get to it. So what I used was a 3/4 socket for spark plugs, because it has this where you can use a wrench, and it's got the hole in the middle for where you can use an Allen key, and then there's a 22 to fit the end right here, and I just tightened it all down. So I'm gonna put it back in the car now. Alright, so I got everything put back together, and here's the brake line right here. It's supposed to be hooked right here. Well, I put the wrong strut on. This is just one of those things of making the mistake so y'all don't have to, and hopefully y'all learn from my mistakes, because now I gotta redo the whole thing and take the right off and switch them. So I'm gonna get to it. So this is what the Raceland Coil Overs look like 9 months later. These are the stock wheels, they're 17s. And these are the low ones, so they really settle after 9 months, especially after use. So if you don't want them this low, because this is all the way up. This is not, this is just the fitment. You can see I can fit about 2 fingers in there. Here, I cannot fit any. It's like sitting on the wheel, and that's as high as it goes. So you can make the choice if you want them or not, but you might want to go with the not so low ones. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you did like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and comment and subscribe for more. It's been a while since I put these on. It was actually 9 months ago. I'm just now uploading it because of just things that's happened, and I've been having to get all the pieces and put them all together for you. I do think the coil overs are good coil overs, just very budget, very budget. It's actually going to cost you a lot more work to use them, to put them on and install them. It's going to be a lot more than if you just spend a little bit more money and either got a little bit higher end brand, in my opinion, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually switch them out with a different brand because I'm just not really satisfied with them. They creak and it's just really lower than what I wanted, and I can't fit different wheels on because of that. So I'm actually spoiler that I am going to change them up. But I still think they're good coil overs. If you want to run them, go ahead, by all means run them. Just they're not for me and what I want. So I'm gonna leave you with that, and I hope y'all are all having a great day, and I'm thankful that y'all are watching my videos, and that y'all are liking and y'all are actually subscribing to them. I'm at 80 subscribers now, which is more than I ever thought I was gonna hit, so thank y'all for that. I just want to say that, and I'm just gonna end it with that. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.